In 2025 and beyond, we are entering a transformative period. To align with the new energies of the Earth, we must elevate our own vibrations. This process involves becoming more self-aware and taking responsibility for that awareness. The challenges we face, both personally and globally, stem from the lessons we need to learn in order to create balance. For instance, if we treat ourselves or others poorly, we must recognize this behavior and commit to change. If we fail to do so, we may experience further consequences that prompt us to restore balance. It's essential to realize that this process isn't about punishment, it's about personal growth. When we learn from our experiences and embrace positive changes, we set in motion a shift toward a better future. The Earth's crucial transformations depend on the personal responsibilities we each embrace. The more accountable we are, the smoother our collective journey will be. If we observe our surroundings, we can see the impact of our actions. Young people are facing challenges with substance abuse, wars are inflicting pain, and our environment is in jeopardy. This highlights an urgent need for genuine change, and we must not overlook the consequences of our behavior. Our institutions, which once thrived, are now struggling to meet our needs. To adapt, they must focus on being transparent and flexible rather than just protecting themselves. The old ways of using deceit and control are being challenged, allowing for transformation. Here are 5 ways to become more self-aware and directed. 1. Practice mindfulness. Engage in mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. These practices help you stay present and aware of your thoughts and feelings, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. 2. Reflect regularly. Set aside time for self-reflection. Journaling, or simply taking a few moments each day to think about your actions, choices, and their impacts can help you gain insights into your behavior and motivations. 3. Seek feedback. Openly ask for feedback from friends, family, or colleagues. Constructive criticism can provide valuable perspectives on how your actions affect others. 4. Express your emotions through conversation, writing, drawing, singing, or other creative outlets, and make this a regular practice. This will provide clarity and help you maintain a healthy flow of energy, leading to a deeper understanding of yourself. 5. Exercise regularly, as your physical body needs to keep the energy moving to prevent stress. If you're eager to learn more, check out Soul Evolution Explained, a handbook for old souls. It's available on Amazon and all major online bookstores. You can find links to purchase it and a sample of the book in the comments below.